Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic with 28,438 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with smoked front turn signals, passenger armrests, chrome radio trim, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, and a luggage rack. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Tri-Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Tri-Glide has a 180 to 220 mile range. It has a 28.4 inch seat height and a 1,215 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this Trike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 6/30 seconds. We took this Trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the fuel gauge bounces and needs to be replaced. We've posted the service repair order for this Trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this Trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a gouge in the lower fairing, tears on the passenger seat material, and a gouge in the rear fender. This Trike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This Trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.